My name is Muhammad Ahsan, and today I will be presenting you this news topic, which is Apple Google released their own joint technology for pandemic tracking apps. Let's begin. Coronavirus, as you know, has been a global issue around the world, thus, major companies have been working to improve the situations. Apple and Google have dispatched a significant joint exertion to use smartphone innovation to contain the COVID pandemic. The technology has the purpose to inform individuals who may have been in contact with the conceivable COVID carriers. The progression of this technology. Many individuals have been anticipating this technology from Apple and Google, which they recently delivered, and it is to basically inform people if they are presented with or near in contact with COVID carriers. 22 countries and several US states have already planning to build applications around the release software. It relies on Bluetooth wireless technology, which detects with someone who has also downloaded the same app around you. And if they have later been tested positive, you will be notified. Why is this being developed? This apps or systems being developed because not to replace contact tracing, which is a pillar of infection control that involves trained public health workers reaching out to people who have been exposed to infectious persons. Instead, it is actually an aid. It is another way to decrease the spread of the COVID. It basically just notifies you the exposure, a possible exposure you had with someone who is being tested positive. And basically this is secure because the identifier of the app users will be protected by encryption and anonymous identifier beacons that are frequently changed. Adaptation is the key to success of these systems, and we believe that strong privacy protections are also the best way to encourage the use of these apps, the companies said in a joint statement. Furthermore, the government attempts. Governments obviously have been trying ways, systems, and apps which are obviously been unsuccessful with the Apple and Android phones because they have been using the GPS system. GPS system tracks people's locations, and this is against the privacy and accuracy concerns of Google and Apple, which basically stops these apps to work. The public health agencies from Germany to the states of Alabama and South Carolina have been waiting to use the Apple Google model, while other governments have said that the tech giants' privacy restrictions will be a hindrance, a stop, basically a block, because public health workers will not have no access to the data. New technology work across borders. This technology has to work across borders because it's a global pandemic, and the companies coming together, which is a rare partnership, has solved many main technical challenges that has been faced by the governments building these apps. One is the quickly drain of a phone's battery and other issues that might come up. These two tech giants teaming up will create efficient apps which will work. And that's it. Thank you for watching. These are the reference links where I got the information from.